Hey, ever feel like those old back and home buttons at the bottom of your screen are just in the way? Or maybe you just want to make your phone look a little cleaner and feel more modern? Well, good news, you can switch those buttons to swipe gestures super easily, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, head over to your phone's settings, then tap on Display. That's where most of the screen stuff lives. Scroll down and tap Navigation Bar. Now here's the fun part. Switch it from buttons to swipe gestures. Boom, your nav bar is now all about swiping. But wait, there's more. Hit More Options right below it. You'll see a couple of styles to choose from. You can go full swipe from the bottom or a combo where you swipe from the sides and bottom. Just pick whatever feels the most natural to you. And hey, if it feels too sensitive or not sensitive enough, there's a sensitivity slider you can adjust right there too. Play around with it until it feels just right. And that's it. Your Android's all set with smooth, clean swipe gestures instead of those clunky buttons. Try it out for a day or two. I bet you'll never want to go back. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Android tips. Catch you in the next one.